Ka Ri Bhoi Dorbar mynta sngi kala yo ban bu yu mawnongrim ban sdang teino ya ka Ri Bhoi Dorbar Hall ha Umsning Nongthymmai naka bynta ban Bteng ka Jingshakri ka baha ka miat jong ka Dong Ri Bhoi baroh kawei bala mang pisa lyngba ka MPLAD Scheme haka jinglut kumba Lakh bala bu thong ru ban pyndep hapo lai benai. Ya mawnongrim ban te ya ka Ri Bhoi Dorbar Hall lawan ban pilih pajba mynta sngi da Raja Brahma Project Director ka DRDA Ri Bhoi District kum ukongsan haka jing dan lang uba ilingdo BDO Umsning C&RD Block ba don lang soklet Vice Chairman MREGC ba RB Shadap President Ri Bhoi Dorbar ba GS Shadap Secretary bat kiwei kiriu rang ba.
Das lem lai banai ngi ban pyndep no jadi kata ying rim dei bahe ibarit hi ying don kambar ngab bangalai kan do ban mistri ngai yong hapo kar banai ngan pyndep hinte kan subu lai banai kan simpor bad haka sngi ke bangin sapli bade ngin sakot dagi bri bakung ki bakam don kam yang ngi hang ne bad ngin sayo piang sakawei ka jinglang ka ba rit kum ne ngis nasana yak ne ka parking hang ne kanang ba kin yo ban yawan ki bahe ki bahai desar itai dei benta bangi penpa yang songu ya i Dr. W. Khaluki ibala alat yang ngi ya kane ke pisa polak mat ha jinsha ngi kuak mangi ke bahaya bah ten re in le kamno ka de snem nang kong wedang ai kan ne denga kmilenti ba inang ai piang ru la dang ngi la le bah ya skim menta te ha ju kapor ngi don hang nei ba ilang do u video ban thmai ba pe ke do kadar bang somla bah te ngi sutnat na pinang lang hang ne sa nang por bat nga haga bor ma tho yong nu tablet ru idan ba ai tip dinga biong be kya ka teng do alang do teng la tho alang do alang dang la ai ba de yo tu message ngai bun ki ba complain ki ong nam de re alang do ide ilang do ngawan si office film ni
like extraordinary people nado bolong video ba sarap lawan mo ta ngala da bio ta ka sanction Sir Dr. W. Khaluki ada ai sanction mentionari boy dorba tengah aku mau video ru na do mencuangi ni wat lat mo ka skim ne heru ngin pinkop mo men ai dorbar mo ka kitien molong Ri Bhoi Dorbar just the name has its weight te ni pat ni so in ongkum no ni umdan ka skim e borong pinkop men ai Ri Bhoi Dorbar mo and tengah first of all nga thanks ya Dr. W. Khaluki. Thank you, sir, being an MP Rajya Sabha member and your feeling towards the development of Ri Bhoi is immense, sir. Thank you, sir. Kumba u adopt mo kasegi village po molinde bringi but trekam sar belong serkeba is beyond my imagination like one development but coordination kumba block Segi village which is zero funded mo belong mentangi land target belong it is 100 crore projects. So a man with the quality belong for the development kam tam lai I perkat ba ya Ri Bhoi tengai kuble ya MP sir Rajya Sabha ngai kuble shibon ya bor ni member jong Ri Bhoi Dorbar ya perlok ba don coklat ru ya kam tam lai video ru dan ne ji te ya bor tenga kemen mentas ni dan rangkat dumpi and PI yang kalat men play mau nongrim hang ni kade it will be a memorable day for me in my lifetime. It is a history making for me. I am part of it. The laying foundation stone for Ri Bhoi Dorbar is just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the kumba pisa. Then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other like other projects like Bongkwi parking for sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline for water supply. We'll see that whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself along Kumba Ri Bhoi Dorbar is not only an asset to the headman Kumba member jong, but it's an asset jong Ri Bhoi. There is a symbol of love along a symbol of development for the people of Ri Bhoi District as a whole. And being a senior members from the Ri Bhoi Dorbar, we and myself PD along Naka District Administration on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and the coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well and we are always there to help in good conditions. Koblishibon, si hajar ngak koblishibon.